Hi, welcome to Swim Walk Paddle. We went on a sauna boat out of Kettering, just south of Hobart in Tasmania. The boat had a sauna on board and you jump in and out of the ocean as well as in and out of the sauna.
Oh, swim, walk, paddle with Nick and Alexander. It's F-U-N and it never gets old. Swim in the pool, in the river, in the ocean. Walk in the bush, don't worry if it's hot and don't worry if it's cold. Swim, walk, paddle with Nick and Alexander. Paddle up and down in the rivers and the creeks. Swim, walk, paddle with Nick and Alexander. It's F-U-N, even if we're getting old.
Are you going to do the bucket, babe?
Recording?
Yeah, go.
You gonna go?
Yep. Oh! Actually,
Pretty good. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's colder yesterday. You can throw it in.
Do you want me to? Huh? Throw it in?
Yeah. Float. Because it was colder yesterday, wasn't it?
Woo! It's pretty good.
Is this just sand on the bottom?
Yeah, I thought maybe seaweed.
No, there's no one. I think that 15 minutes is my limit.